Delhi has the most all vada pavs to exist in
Thank
the
you.
world. Pan milkshake, babe, calm down. It's too yucky. There's elaichi in this.
Yes.
It's a biryani or what? तो आप मुझे भी डाल दो उसी के अंदर.
It's a full veg khao.
And you decided to bring a Muslim person here. How secular. कोई बैलेंस नहीं है उनके खाने में. बहुत एक्सट्रीम है, just like all Delhi people. If you don't have something good to show, don't come. Body ही है आपका USP. तो मत पहनो कपड़े.
Tiger Shroff.
Hate.
उर्फी जावेद.
Hate. Like I'm feeling tense. Like मेरे को डर लग रहा है खाना खाने में. If I say good stuff about Aishwarya Rai Bachchan constantly, is she going to launch me like Agastya Nanda?
Is status scripted.
Only been traumatized by Bombay. Oh my god, the whole tent is falling.
Traumatized.
A 4 out of 10. 0 out of 10 from my end. 8 out of 10.
फैशन पे फ्यूजन ना चल जाता है, पर जैसे ही प्लेट पर आता है ना, ठीक वैसे ही दिल और दिमाग दोनों ही हिल जाता है। आज मैं आई हूँ घाटकोपर खाओ गली में, जहाँ मिलता है अनयूजुअल फूड, वायरल फूड, जैसे कि पान मिल्कशेक, ब्रेडलेस सैंडविच, कुरकुरे मोमोज और कितना कुछ, बट जस्ट विथ नो लॉजिक। जिस तरह ये अतरंगी खाना सीधा हमारे पेट पे लगने वाली है ना, ठीक उसी तरह इनके फैशन क्रिटिक सीधा दिल पे लगते हैं। मिलिए सूफी मोतीवाला से। गुजराती स्नेक्स के किंगडम सूरत से ये बिलोंग करते हैं। कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल हो या मेट गाला, इनके तीखे फैशनिस्टा निगराहों से ना कोई ना बच पाया है। नॉट इवन ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन।
She decided to dress up like a गांजे का झाड़, palm tree. I mean, I don't understand, but she looks like the Statue of Liberty, which is iconic. 8 out of 10.
तो आज देखते हैं इन डिशेस को 10 आउट 10 मिलता है या स्ट्रेट अप रिजेक्शन। लेट्स गो फाइंड आउट।
Hello.
What's up?
How are you? I'm great. How are you? Oh my god, you look so good.
You look so
What is
good.
this little ass bag?
I'm obsessed with little bags.
I know, right? We both have little bags
I love that.
with no money in them.
I have 10 rupees, चल जाएगा आज के
हाँ,
लिए।
खाओ गली में तो इतने में तो खा ही लेंगे हम.
खा लेंगे हम आज।
Yes.
आज हमने आपका पूरा दिन ले लिया है।
Yes.
तो हमने एक सेलिब्रिटी को बख्श दिया आज के दिन पे फिर।
To be honest, yes. एक कोई तो बच गया है आज कुछ होने से fully.
So we know that you love fashion.
Yes.
ठीक है, and you are unapologetically the ruthless critic of fashion.
Yes. Influencers से भी fashion कहाँ ही हो पा रहा है. Fatima's old bedsheet cut it up into a dress. Tablecloths make really good kurti. Flop. Jump scare. The horror. You get the point.
But आज हम आपका foodie side भी देखेंगे।
Fully.
Are you a foodie?
So I always say that I'm not a foodie, I'm a eater. I love eating. There are very few tastes that I love, like enjoy, like I love crispy, I love a little spice, I love masala. So I'm an eater.
आपने कभी ब्रेडलेस सैंडविच के बारे में सुना है?
नहीं. और मुझे बहुत ऐसे टेंशन हो रही है कि क्या होगा, मतलब अगर उसमें ब्रेड ही नहीं है
नहीं,
तो वो
bread नहीं
किस
है।
चीज से बना जा रहा है.
So मुंबई का ऐसा है, every गली has a खाओ गली। अगर लाइन से आपने फूड स्टॉल देख लिया, means that's the खाओ गली।
Oh.
Yeah, so
I
आज-
didn't know that.
Oh, yes.
Damn,
So
okay.
इसलिए आज हम घाटकोपर में हैं and we are going to explore घाटकोपर की खाओ गली। And हमारी आउटफिट देख के लग रहा है कि हमने व्हाइट पहना है, तो आज देखते हैं कौन सबसे ज्यादा स्पिल करता है।
देखो, इट्स प्राइड. तो अगर हम ग्रीन चटनी, लाल चटनी से एक झंडा वंडा बना लेंगे तो इट्स फाइन. आई वांट टू ईट ऑल द क्रेजी थिंग्स दैट आई कीप सीइंग ऑन माय रील्स. Chocolate Maggie, rainbow dosa and all of
Oh
that.
my God, yeah.
I'm
Okay, so
hoping we'll get.
घाटकोपर खाओ गली is known for its food fusion। यहाँ पे लॉजिक नहीं है, ठीक
Love
है?
it.
लॉजिक भूल कर आ जाओ आप।
Illogic. Me. My whole
लॉजिक
existence.
भूल कर आ जाओ आप, यहाँ पे सिर्फ फूड फ्यूजन होने वाला है।
Love.
First we are going to try breadless
Come,
sandwich।
I have just been looking at it. I just want to eat
Let's
it
go,
now.
let's go।
हेलो भैया. कैसे हो आप? भैया तो आप ब्रेडलेस सैंडविच कैसे बनाते हो? भैया ये तो मुझे समझ आ गया था.
भैया
क्या
स्टेप
है,
बाय
क्या
स्टेप में
उसमें?
इनको बताओ कि क्या क्या डलेगा उसमें। तो सूफी, लाइक आपका पूरा नाम क्या है? फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट।
Oh my god, so my full name is actually Sufyan Ishtiyaq Motiwala. But the first person that I fell in love with in my life, he started calling me Sufi. and it really stuck around. Like my family then started calling me Sufi, my friends started calling me Sufi, and I famously say that Sufyan, only my dharam pati will be able to call me that. Like I have, मैंने जिंदगी में कुछ और तो बचाया है नहीं अपनी शादी के लिए, बस अपना नाम बचा के रखा है. So he's just put in a layer of aloo with butter on it.
Butter.
And now chutney on it.
Yes. आपको लग रहा रहेगा कि ब्रेड नहीं है तो ये हेल्दी है, नो फ्लावर और एनीथिंग, बट
I for once did not think that anything we are eating here is going to be healthy. I came with the mindset that it's all going to be unhealthy. I've counted 18 machhars already. You think healthy?
मुंबई में रह के आपको कितना वक्त हो गया?
1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
Have you explored Mumbai?
No. I have abhi tak only been traumatized by Bombay.
Really? How?
Because firstly I realized that, oh my god, the whole tent is calling.
Traumatized. That got real. Shit got real.
What the hell? What just happened?
आपने मुंबई को गुस्सा करा दिया है. आपने मुंबई को गुस्सा करा दिया है. ये क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
I love Bombay. I love everybody. God, what the fuck? Stop trying to kill me. Dude, I'm getting very troubled by this sandwich. अब उसमें खीरा लग चुका है,
खीरा लग चुका है,
बीटरूट लग चुका है,
प्याज
लग चुका है,
प्याज लग चुका है अभी. और क्या
I think
लगेगा
he's
सर
going to
अब?
put another layer of aloo on top. Oh,
अभी टोमेटो.
इसको खाएं कैसे?
These are one of the viral foods of Mumbai, हाँ?
Yeah, I can see.
और लोग सालों से खा रहे हैं.
क्यों? मतलब अगर आपको सैलेड ही खाना है तो एक बोल में सैलेड बना लो.
So are you a fan of tomato?
I'm not a fan of anything other than the aloo. My favorite vegetable is aloo.
Same.
भैया चीज के बिना वो हमारे गले के नीचे कैसे उतरेगा?
चीज के बिना
इतनी
मुंबई का
सब्जी.
स्ट्रीट फूड नहीं बनता है.
Yeah.
But you said you are from Surat, right?
Yes.
So सूरत का स्ट्रीट फूड क्या कैसा रहता है?
So Surat street food mainly I've realized is that how nonsensical can they go? Like, have you heard of the dish khawswe?
No.
So khawswe is this very famous Burmese dish, which if you go to these 5 stars and everything, they'll serve it to you in the most elaborate manner के भाई छोटी सी कटोरी में प्याज है, फिर फ्रायम है, फिर नूडल है, फिर सूप है. And then you go to Surat, वहाँ पे ऐसे ही रेकड़ी पे खौसे मिल रहा है 30-30 रुपए में. Which is it's not even, they've not even attempted to recreate the original dish. उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि एक तीखा सूप बनाएंगे हम, उसमें नूडल डालेंगे, चिकन डालेंगे, पूर डालेंगे, like पापड़ी डालेंगे और बस खिलाएंगे लोगों को. And I kid you not, like there's these few vendors like that we've been eating from decades. They've become crore-patis over selling khawswe, chai, locho and all of that.
Oh my god.
We have it here, girls.
We have it.
Oh my god. I want you to have the first bite.
Let's show it to our audience first.
Yeah.
ये कहीं से भी सैंडविच लग रहा है आपको?
I mean, it looks like a sandwich.
Cheese.
Like, you can almost like cheat the bread. Like, you can be like, हाँ है bread इसमें.
White color.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
I actually kind of like it.
What?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. You can't taste anything other than the cheese and the aloo.
And the aloo?
Yeah.
I can taste tomato. I don't like tomato at all.
You like ketchup,
Yeah.
but you don't like tomato.
No. I
How's
don't like
that?
the solid form of it. I don't know why.
That's so rude.
मेरे खाने से भी I pick it out.
Okay, yeah, I just ate the tomato and even I don't like it.
The
I
raw
want to
tomato.
throw it
It's
out.
just, yeah. How much would you like to rate this? सूफी को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, as you can see. Sufi!
No, I love it.
What was that? We saw you.
I loved it. Nobody saw that. That's gonna get cut.
Okay, Sufi, rate करो. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you like to say about a breadless
For
sandwich?
effort, it's good effort that you're trying to keep us healthy with all these vegetables and all. But हम इस रोड पे vegetable खाना नहीं है. Secondly, इसका कोई वो नहीं है. मतलब जैसे हर एक डिश का एक घर होना चाहिए जो उसे फुलफिल करे, जैसे चावल, ब्रेड, रोटी, चिकन, कुछ बेस जिससे हमारे बॉडी को कुछ मिले. ऐसा इसमें कुछ है नहीं. It's a very empty dish, so I would like to give it a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10? We have rated 4 out of 10 to this breadless sandwich.
Yes.
Now let's go to another spot.
Yes.
Okay. आप पान खाते हो?
नहीं, मैं पान नहीं खाता, मुझे पान से एलर्जी है, बट आई एम एक्साइटेड टू सी व्हाट पान दे आर मेकिंग बिकॉज़ आई हैव सीन ऑल दीस लाइक बर्फ पान, आग पान, तूफान पान एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड।
मुंबई में आपको सब टाइप का पान मिल जाएगा,
Yes.
लेकिन आज हम आपको पिलाएंगे पान मिल्क शेक।
I'm leaving. It was nice knowing you
Oh my
guys.
God, why?
Pan milkshake, babe. Calm down.
Okay, first let's see how it's made.
Okay.
I'll taste it and then you just see.
Okay, girl.
Okay? Yeah. So let's go try it. भैया
एक पान मिल्कशेक बना दीजिए। स्ले कर दीजिए। भैया मैं आपको एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे सकता हूँ। आप लगते हो कि आपको पान पसंद है। आपको पान पसंद है?
मैं पान खाता ही
नहीं खाते हो? फ्लॉप बातें करा लो मुझसे आज। सॉरी भैया, माफ कर दो। He's not interested.
He's not interested.
He's like,
नहीं यार.
take your milkshake and get out of here. Bankrupt shit.
So Sufi, how did content creation start? Like when and why did you start?
I was away from family. My family had cut me off financially, and like I really had to do something in life where I would be able to like make money for myself fast, because I was in a situation where I was not really comfortable. I was not like my living conditions and everything. It was just not it. So I really had to figure some shit out in life where I could like, you know, make money and basically give myself that level of comfort and safety. Content started because like I was in fashion college and I used to be very opinionated. I was like, yeah, I know everything. And then I started sharing nonsense. Like when I first started posting content, I had no knowledge of fashion or nothing. So I just used to post nonsense. But then over time, I've grown, my content's grown, and I'm just like so excited for this next chapter in life.
How did you gain knowledge about fashion now that you have said
Fashion
it?
college, YouTube, magazines, everything about fashion is available to you on the internet. You just need to know how to search for it, or how to like Google it, and you'll find whatever you want.
But we have seen that you have not spared Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. You have not spared Urvashi Rautela. आपको कभी ऐसा PR का कॉल आया कि ये क्या बोल दिया तुमने?
ये सेलिब्रिटीज हर रोज 10 बार कपड़े बदलते हैं। उनमें से अगर उनका एक कपड़ा मुझे नहीं पसंद आ जाता तो इट्स नॉट दैट सीरियस।
तेवर भी वैसे ही बदलते हैं।
Secondly, this मुरझाया हुआ गुलदस्ता, no Henny. Urvashi Rautela scares in new outfit. I mean, honestly, I can appreciate the beautiful detailing on the dress. I can also appreciate this beautiful parrot poppet pow. But then ये आजू बाजू 100 रुपए का fabric क्यों जोड़ दिया है? They literally just said no ruffles and you could have come in this slinky dress. They change their outfit 10 times a day. And secondly, also these PR people, like, for me, I've never looked at them as celebrities. I've always looked at them as people. These are people who are actors or who are directors or who are designers or stylists. I expect them to do their job the best. Similarly, how I expect myself to do my job the best, which is critique them the best. So I have never felt scared or intimidated by them, because I'm like, if I say good stuff about Aishwarya Rai Bachchan constantly, is she going to launch me like Agastya Nanda? No.
क्या बोलते हैं?
काफी बहुत ठंडा रहता है।
Love it, love it.
ठंडा।
Thanda.
गुलकंद
Gulkand.
गुलकंद।
That looks like muck.
ये अपना खोपरा कलरफुल
Tutti frutti है क्या ये?
कोकोनट।
थोड़ा सॉफ्ट
सॉफ्ट।
It's like a cocktail of mouth fresheners.
मेरा टूटी
सब भर भर के डालो सर के लिए।
It's too yucky. Oh,
What?
sad. Oh my god.
Come on, you were up for a challenge, huh, today?
Yeah, but look at that. Oh my god, he's putting
सर ये
more
क्या है?
shit.
ये वाला थोड़ा अलग टूटी है। और टेस्ट करोगे?
नहीं नहीं.
नहीं नहीं सर टेस्ट करेंगे अभी।
टेस्ट करके देखो, बढ़िया
Taste
है।
it now once. I think it's gonna be sweet. What is it?
Like cough syrup.
Cough syrup लगा है सर को।
Stop telling him what I'm saying. Stop translating it to people.
ये अपना ये इलायची है।
इलायची।
There's elaichi in this.
Yes.
It's a biryani or what?
ये क्या है?
रोज का फ्लेवर है।
रोज का फ्लेवर। Okay, now it's gonna go in the
मतलब
mixer.
just because he's putting hamman. Tipping
अरे?
powder, rose का powder.
Yeah.
रोज का पाउडर कैसे बन सकता है भैया? मैं तो नहीं मानता इसे।
बनाने वाला चाहिए।
अरे
अरे भाई भाई क्या बोले हो?
पान का जूस पी तो बनाया मैंने।
अरे क्या बोल रहे हो भैया? वाओ, heads off.
अभी दूध।
Feeling a little traumatized. How is this more scary than traitors?
इधर भी आपको पता नहीं चलने वाला कि क्या खिलाने वाले, अचानक
Is
कुछ ना
this
कुछ हो
innocent
जाएगा।
or traitorous?
ट्रेटर।
Please पापा.
आइसक्रीम भी डाल रहे हैं।
डाल दो भैया, आप तो आप मुझे भी डाल दो उसी के अंदर। इतनी चीजें तो आप डाल चुके हो भाई। गुलकंद से शुरू हुई थी ये बात, रोज पाउडर, आइसक्रीम, इलायची। भैया चिकन डाल दो इसमें थोड़ी।
This is a full veg street actually. It's a full veg house.
And you decided to bring a Muslim person here. How secular.
They have a ritual over here. पीने से पहले rose water is going to get sprinkled on your face and your hair. Thank you. मैं इससे क्या, ये तो सूप दे दिया आपने मुझे, उनको शॉट दिया है.
Yeah, babe, size.
What?
Like he sees that I don't eat that much. It's gonna get me cancer.
अरे यार. Cheers. सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है मैंने.
This is not the vibe.
Honestly, बताओ.
It tastes like pan. Actually, tastes like a pan only. Like it doesn't taste like, you can't taste the ice cream that much.
But गर्मी में पी सकते हैं इसको?
पी सकते हैं. If you love pan, if you like pan, then this is a very bang on recreation. Like, you know, it has all the flavors of the pan. You can taste the patta, you can taste all the ingredients. I don't like pan, so I'm not the biggest fan of this. But hats off भैया, कुछ crazy तो आपने बना दिया है. मतलब एक solid चीज को liquid में change कर दिया गया है. Love it.
How much would you like to rate this?
The mistake of having another sip. I would like to give it 0 out of 10 from my end. Sorry.
We know that you like to give names. हमको पता है आप नाम देते हो हर एक क्रिएशन को. इसको क्या नाम देना चाहोगे?
Unhoney.
अनहोनी.
The unhoney milkshake.
क्या आप वापस आओगे घाट को पर खाओगे?
Never. One and done.
Exactly.
कितने के दिए भैया कैरेट?
50 का आधा, 50 का आधा,
आधा
50 का
किलो।
आधा।
कितने का? माल सारा है। क्या शूटिंग हो जाए?
भिंडी है आपके पास?
बहुत बढ़िया।
ये दे दो मुझे। कितने की है भिंडी?
50 का आधा, अरे 30 का पाव है।
दे दो मुझे।
आधा पाव।
पाव।
और
ये नहीं चाहिए।
ये
खाली भिंडी चाहिए मुझे।
तो घर से you don't get out of house?
Not really. Like I don't really like to get out. I mean, without like, if I'm not getting paid, I don't want to step out of my house. I bought भिंडी।
बहुत भिंडी.
भैया उनका हाई फाई। Thank you.
Exotic सब्जियां नहीं पसंद है आपको?
What the fuck is an
Zucchini.
exotic
Come on,
sabzi?
zucchini and मुंबई में ना अभी मैंगो का सीजन है.
Yes.
Do you like to eat mango? Like कच्ची कैरी खाना पसंद है?
I love curries.
कच्ची कैरी खाए?
Yes.
मस्त.
Yes. Let's do it.
या जी.
कैसे हो भैया?
भैया जी एक कच्ची कैरी लगा दो बस.
बट वो मसाला मत डालना।
मसाला नहीं पसंद?
No.
मसाला ही तो
I
मेन
love
चीज है यार.
just the curry.
After Surat, like you said, you are from Delhi as well.
Yes.
Okay. So वहाँ पे आपने अपनी schooling करी.
नहीं, college. I was
College.
in Delhi for fashion communication. I was studying fashion communication.
Nice.
Then after that, I got cast in theaters and then my acting show.
Hmm.
So then I left Delhi and I came to Bombay to be a star.
दिल्ली का स्ट्रीट फूड आपको याद आता है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Because like, you know, as someone whose like taste in food is very based from Gujarat and Mangalore, I am very south leaning in my tastes of food. From the northern side, वहाँ पे खाने में they are either कोई balance नहीं है उनके खाने में. अगर तीखा कुछ बना रहे तो वो इतना तीखा होगा कि आप खा ही नहीं पाओगे. अगर वो कुछ मीठा बना रहे तो वो इतना मीठा बना देंगे कि आप खा ही नहीं पाओगे. मतलब बहुत extreme है, just like all Delhi people. Like it's very extreme.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
क्यों? लेकिन कच्ची कैरी खाते तो पेट भी बहुत खराब होता है.
अब ये सब अभी बोलना जरूरी है जब हम लिटरली इससे बहुत बुरी चीजें और खा रहे हैं. हम अभी तक एक ब्रेडलेस सैंडविच और
पान milkshake.
पान मिल्कशेक पी चुके हैं. Dude, it was way worse than I imagined it.
आई नो कि हम बहुत ही हॉरिबल, शायद लोगों को डिस्गस्टिंग भी लगे, हम ऐसे फूड फ्यूजन ट्राई कर रहे हैं. हैव यू एवर फाउंड लाइक एनी डिस्गस्टिंग फैशन आउटफिट एंड यू आर लाइक utterly disgusted by it?
So in the world of fashion, there are a few things that are an absolute no-go in my world. Corsets, Plastic anything, plastic chappal, plastic heels, plastic anything, I'm not a fan of.
We know you as a character, like, you know, either people will love it or hate it, but they can't simply ignore it.
Exactly.
Okay, so I'm gonna play a quick game with you. I'm gonna take some names and you have to say either you love them, hate them, or you can ignore them. Alright? Urfi Javed,
Ignored.
Apurva Makhija,
Love her.
Triggered Insan,
Who is that? I don't know.
Jannat Zubair,
Love.
Janvi Kapoor,
Love. Absolutely love.
Kareena Kapoor,
Love.
Tiger Shroff,
Hate.
Kartik Aaryan,
Hate.
Mahip Kapoor,
Love.
Salman Khan,
Love.
Karan Johar.
Love.
Oh, nice. Okay, so how was it like working with Karan?
So on Traitors, actually, Karan was not allowed to interact with us one bit. So a lot of people, I've also been seeing a lot of hate that oh Karan ऐसे क्यों देख रहा है और Karan ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा है. तुम लोग research करते हो कभी कोई चीज के बारे में? Like if you all Google Traitors, you'll realize that the host of Traitors is supposed to behave like this.
Yeah.
Karan Johar is basically playing the role of the ringmaster of the palace. So he can't sit and giggle at us and be like he मजे आ रहे हैं. His energy is that I'm murdering y'all and I'm like making y'all play this over the top game. So the game is only possible if he's being over the top, or else like it would have been a flop game.
एक controversial question पूछो क्या?
पूछो.
Who from the industry needs a serious makeover?
A lot of these newer gen nepos like your Rasha Thadani, Palak Tiwari, Shania Kapoor, a lot of these people we've not seen a lot of.
But why only girls? Why not guys?
Guys तो भाई मतलब उनसे तो हम उम्मीद ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. मतलब मर्द लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं ऐसी आशा रख रहा है देश हमारा अभी भी. In India, male stars do not even do 10% of what the female stars are doing and going through. Like if you just even see my Khan catch-up reviews of Deepika and Aishwarya and all, every year they've had to outdo themselves. Whereas a Shah Rukh Khan feels comfortable going to the Met Gala even in a boring ass black suit.
I saw one of your reel and I laughed out hard. It was like about Tiger Shroff and you said अगर नंगा ही आना था तो क्यों?
मत ही पहनो ना कपड़े. अगर बाइसेप्स ही दिखाना है, अगर बॉडी ही है आपका यूएसपी, तो मत पहनो कपड़े, क्योंकि पहन के कुछ खास तो कर नहीं रहे हो. हाँ मतलब लाइक ही इज ऑलवेज लाइक अगर वो फॉर्मल इवेंट पे भी जा रहा है तो स्लीवलेस पहन के जा रहा है. एंड लाइक अगर आपको बाइसेप्स ही दिखाने हैं, इफ योर बॉडी इज ओनली योर यूएसपी, देन जस्ट लाइक डोंट वेयर अ शर्ट. डोंट वेयर इट ओनली. कम शर्टलेस. लाइक if you don't have something good to show, don't come. That's my thing.
And who do you think tries the hardest to, you know, stand out कि कुछ करना ही है, कुछ अलग ही करना है हमेशा?
The television actresses. And by standing out, I mean मैं अचंभित हो जाता हूँ उनके कपड़ों को देख करके. कहाँ से बन के आ रहे हैं ये कपड़े? कौन बना रहा है? कौन इन्हें भेज रहा है? तो मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आ पा रहा कि ये कहाँ से. दीदी आपका कपड़ा गिर रहा है, उठा लीजिए प्लीज. आपके साड़ी पे फंगस लग गया है मैम, प्लीज एक बार चेक कर लीजिए.
So you said you are from Delhi.
Yes.
And Delhi takes a lot of pride. I don't know why momos के लिए बहुत pride लेते हैं वो कि हमसे बेस्ट मोमो तो कोई नहीं बनाता.
कि चोर है पहले तो. नॉर्थ ईस्ट की सारी चीजें दिल्ली चोरी कर रहा है.
Yes.
स्ट्रीट स्टाइल का सारा सामान सरोजनी में नॉर्थ ईस्ट से आ रहा है. मोमोज वगैरह सब नॉर्थ ईस्ट से उठाया गया है. उनका पूरा जो वो कौन सा है वो जगह, where is that जगह, what is that जगह?
मजनू का टेला.
Yes, oh my god, the whole thing like that's all like you know inspired by the Seven Sisters, yet it's all promoted like Delhi's culture and Delhi's this and that, whereas Delhi's culture is not that.
Yeah.
Delhi's actual culture is like Mughal focused.
They take a lot of pride in that. They are like हमसे बेहतर मोमोज, हमसे बेहतर वड़ा पाव तो कोई नहीं बना सकता इधर.
Delhi is saying हमसे better वड़ा पाव.
Yeah, that viral वड़ा पाव वाली.
What are you saying? Delhi has the most all vada pavs to exist in the world.
Thank you.
I've tried vada pavs everywhere in Delhi and Delhi वालों को bread बनाना ही नहीं आता है. उनका जो पाव है वो पाव ही अच्छा नहीं है. मुझे तो वो पाव नहीं पसंद. बॉम्बे का पाव is so much.
So this is called Monacan.
Okay.
You know about Monaco biscuit?
Of course.
So उसमें ये इन्होंने अंदर चीज डाला है और बहुत कुछ डाला है जो आपको खा के पता चलेगा.
Wow.
See right now it is smiley but let's see कि सूफी ये खा के स्माइल देते हैं कि क्या देते हैं.
Let's do it.
लोग उटपटांग कपड़ा पहनते हैं. आज हम उटपटांग खाना खाएंगे.
Yeah. May God be with us.
Yeah, may God be with us यार. Please यार. Come on.
Like I'm feeling tense. Like मेरे को डर लग रहा है खाना खाने में ये.
One time. One and last.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Not bad. भैया इसमें क्या क्या डाला है आप?
I'll tell you. It has corn. It has onion, tomatoes.
Capsicum.
It has mayo. It has ketchup. It has a little bit of mustard because तभी ये orange कुछ बना दिया है. It has cheese. It has coriander and it has Monaco.
So आज हम कुरकुरे मोमोज ट्राई करने वाले हैं.
Love it. By kurkure, do you mean like normal kurkure or it has kurkure inside it?
भैया बताएं. भैया इसमें क्या है?
फ्राइड मोमोज रहता है, इस पे ब्रेड क्रंच लगा के इसको ऑयल फ्राइड.
Okay, इसलिए इसको कुरकुरे मोमोज बोलते हैं. Because it's kurkura.
Yeah, I've had this.
You've had this?
Yes,
In Mumbai.
in Delhi.
In Delhi. How was it?
It was average. It's like imagine if a popcorn chicken was made in wheat.
Do you like momos with mayonnaise or chutney?
Both. You don't like? You only like the red one?
Yes.
You're that girl, bhaiya, or tikha? Oh my god.
I don't like mayonnaise at all.
Why?
Oh, it's murder.
I only don't like mayonnaise.
This
I mean,
is traitor.
I only like mayonnaise in momos. Is it hot?
It's
Very
hot. It's very hot actually. What do you think? Why?
I think actually it's because I'm a non-vegetarian that I'm not really vibing with these dishes. I don't want to be hateful,
You can be. Come on.
but it's giving very much McCain's potato bites. Honestly, I'll give this an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Traitors इतना कर रहे. Tell us truthfully, हाँ? Is Traitor scripted?
Bestie, I wish उन्होंने थोड़ा बहुत script कर दिया होता क्योंकि I mean, I can say that the person who does end up winning the show should not have won.
Really? Oh my god, I can't wait to see who is the winner.
And otherwise also like, it's not scripted one bit. Everything that we're fighting, like imagine like, you cannot script me yelling at Raftar. Okay, don't be annoying Raftar. That has to come naturally. Yeah, so like me fighting with him and a lot of the other fights also that happened, like the fight between Urfi and Apurva also, you can't script a fight like that. Like it has to stem from somewhere for it to have such a real and vast meaning in the show. So it was 0% scripted.
Did you get your phones over there?
No.
Not at
Our
all.
phones were taken 24 hours before the show and they were given back to us like 7-8 hours after we were out of the palace. And the best thing and the biggest like difference in our show and the other reality shows is that in Traitors, like how during Big Boss or Splitsvilla or anything, if you get eliminated, you get a whole half an hour track of like gale mil raha hai, ro raha hai, bhai wahan kar raha hai, kuch bhi. Whereas in Traitors, it was like if you're out, you're out.
You're out. Like there's
You
no...
don't even get to say bye to anybody. You're out, meaning in that second you are removed. So our emotions used to feel so heightened because it used to feel so real life. Like everybody's death used to feel like a death. How when in real life someone passes away, you almost immediately like start feeling their like the absence. We used to feel everybody's absence because they would like disappear like this. So it was very real and the reason it's so explosive is because all of our emotions were so heightened. Like हमें हर छोटी चीज ऐसा लगता था कि अगर हमने ये नहीं पार किया है तो मतलब हमारी जिंदगी खराब होने वाली है. Like for all of us, it was like we have to make it to the finale, or else we're like irrelevant or we're insignificant. And now we can see how the early outs are behaving.
But थोड़ा dramatic नहीं लगता था कि आज तो किसी का murder होने वाला है?
बहुत dramatic लगता है. So
Like ये line मैंने line सुना
no
है.
babe. So when the traitors used to make their decisions and everything, we used to be locked up in our bedrooms, which were not shot. Our private spaces were not shot. But the whole night, like after the traitors have given their decisions, we would not know when the production is going to come and tell us that you've been murdered. So we literally used to stay up the whole night in anxiety. Okay, ab aayega koi, ab aayega koi, ab aayega koi. And then by the time we like finally fell asleep or something, it would have been time for the next day's episode shoot. So it was very fast and it was very high stakes. Like before you knew it, the show was over.
And who from Traitors you would never want to be friends with? Meet anyone over there who was like dual, who played like a dual side? You know, you could never trust them, even though it was the show's integrity
So
like
honestly, what I'll tell you is
Yeah.
that I realized that none of us were actually showcasing our entire whole true personalities. Because at the end of the day, most of us were like trying to withheld from that, so nobody would get a read on us. Like we were all being caricatures and characters only. So I didn't necessarily bond with anybody as such on the show other than Apurva because me and Apurva were just being ourselves. Let's just say that I'm not going to be in touch with most of the straight men from this show. A few of them only. A lot of like unawareness, almost illiteracy. I was subjected to a lot of. Yeah, I was subjected to a lot of that on the show. Like, I can't even begin to tell you. There was a cast member who was like, if 4 gay people want to have sex, what will they do? And I was like, what the fuck are you even asking me? And like, it was a straight cast member and they were like, एक कुर्सी उल्टी करके चारों लोग उस पे बैठ जाएंगे. And I was like, what kind of nonsense?
They are asking these questions.
Yes, while there are 50 cameras.
Like, आपको alcohol
there
चलता था
are
उधर.
20 cameras rolling in the house. Like, it's almost like they don't even fear the things that they're coming out of their mouth.
So we are gonna play one game. It's called Fusion या Confusion.
Let's go.
And you are going to tell me if it's real or fake.
Okay,
ठीक है?
okay.
Ice cream dosa.
Fusion.
Chocolate sambar shots.
I'm hoping that this is confusion. It's fusion? Does it exist?
It's you. Arey, you're from
It's-
Traitors. You have to tell me. You have to guess. Guess.
It's confusion.
Right. Chai momos.
What? I think it's confusion.
True. Okay, Maggi milkshake.
Fusion.
Rasgulla chaat.
Fusion.
Okay.
Yes.
Oreo pakoda.
Fusion.
Good. Ice cream pulao.
Fusion. 100%. Does it not exist? I swear
Who
to
do
God,
you think will
I'm
make
gonna
ice cream
fight
pulao?
you. I'm gonna fight you. My diligent viewers, there is an ice cream pulao. I've seen
Where?
someone put ice cream in their pulao. Literally.
She?
Yes, and I've also seen someone make a pink pulao.
ये कोई दिल्ली वाला ही होगा. हम मुंबई वाले नहीं करते ये सब.
Shade. Oh, shade. Shade has been thrown.
Okay. Tandoori sushi rolls.
Fusion. Very much doable.
या मुझे लग रहा है बाजू का ही कोई बना ही भी रहा होगा.
मतलब
house
अगर
of
ये यहाँ पे
sushi.
नहीं बन रहा है तो हमें ये खोल देना चाहिए.
हो जाना चाहिए. Okay. All right. Well, it's been lovely speaking
Is
with
it
you.
over?
Yes.
Oh my God, no.
I mean, if you want, we have more fusions.
No,
Yeah, to try.
let's go. But yeah.
Okay. But it was,
It was
lovely
such a fun timing.
exploring
Thank
Ghatkopar
you.
Khawgali with
Oh
you.
my God. Like this, I'll never come here again. Like this day is always going to be about us.
Yes, and you will always remember this.
Of course.
यहाँ तो नहीं आना है.
Me, yaar, it's not that bad, honestly. I loved it. I love the McCain potato shots and I love this as well. It's very basic. It's not very fusion
And
vibes.
what about the Monacan?
Actually, the only flop for me was the pan milkshake. That milkshake is going to traumatize me and
Yeah.
haunt
3
me.
sips you took. 3.
Huh?
3 sips you took.
Yeah, no, I still took 3 sips. Why am I so weird? I'm such a people pleaser. Like I'm sitting in pleasing the milkshake भैया के. आपका
अच्छा ही
milkshake अच्छा
बनाया.
है भैया.
अच्छा ही
बड़ी मत
बनाया.
करो.
तुमने बनाया.
हाँ, और उसको भी हम 6 out of 10 तो दे के आ गए. See,
Who
I'm
do
a
you-
nice person.
Who do you think is the winner of all? Which food item?
The Monaco. Because like I've had this before in life,
Yes.
so I was gagged by that. So I would want people to try that. Because I think हमारी मम्मीज भी जब हम बचपन में छोटे होते थे तो मोनाको पे चीज, सब्जी, कुछ भी डाल के देते थे हमें. So it's very like nostalgic almost,
Yeah.
but it's very heavy.
It's very heavy because
Yeah.
of the cheese.
Cheese and
Mayo.
all of those things. It's very heavy. Love it.
But love.
But it's over.
Yes. क्योंकि शुरुआत मैंने डाइजिन से किया था मैंने.
Babe, don't even start. It's the worst kind of humor. But I love it. So my best friend, it's this thing like, okay, I think we should wrap this up. Like, look at their faces. They're like, अभी भी क्यों बात कर रहे हैं ये लोग आगे? क्या हो
You
नहीं
can say,
गया?
you can say it, you can say.
Like I love you all. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for coming.
Of course.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Cool. Let's go.
चलो. भिंडी ले लूं अपनी राय में.